The Fear and Greed Index just crashed to 27, and Bitcoin's MACD histogram flipped to minus 34.21. The bears are circling. Let's start by holding ourselves accountable. Yesterday's BTC short is still open, currently sitting at minus 0.9% from entry. Neither take profit nor stop loss has been hit yet. Our ETH short is also still running, down minus 0.7% from entry and holding in the green for the short side. Both positions remain live as price grinds sideways. We'll keep tracking these calls in real time. That's the Aurelian Wealth promise. The total crypto market is treading water today with a distinctly cautious tone. Bitcoin holds a commanding dominance backed by its $1.286 trillion market cap, while Ethereum sits at $225.6 billion. The broader mood is bearish to neutral. BTC is up a modest 0.8% on the day, but down 0.4% over the week, and ETH is down 2.6% over 7 days. With the Fear and Greed Index at 27, sentiment is firmly defensive right now. Bitcoin is trading at $64,102, up 0.8% on the day, but down 0.4% over the week. The RSI sits at 51.9, dead neutral, giving neither bulls nor bears a clear edge. But here's the concern: the MACD is flashing bearish, with the histogram at 34.21 and the MACD line below its signal at plus 102.59 versus plus 136.80. That's downward momentum building. Key support sits at $62,075 on the 7-day, with resistance capping gains at $65,410. If you're short, a stop-loss zone just above $64,871 makes sense to protect against a squeeze. Not financial advice. Dwyer. Ethereum is changing hands at $169.31, up a slight 0.7% on the day, but down 2.6% over the week, underperforming Bitcoin. RSI reads 50.4, perfectly neutral, while the MACD histogram sits at May 0.48 with the line below signal at plus 1 versus 1848, confirming soft bearish momentum. Watch support at 822, a break below opens the door to further downside. Resistance stands at 1937. For short positions, a stop loss around $908 keeps risk contained. Not financial advice. Dwyer. BNB is the clear standout among the top 5 today, climbing 1.6% in 24 hours and an impressive 5% over the week to reach 599.08 cents, the only major coin showing real strength. Its $79.8 billion market cap continues to hold firm. The stablecoins Tether and USDC remain rock steady at $1, with a combined $255 billion in market cap, underscoring how much capital is currently parked on the sidelines. In a fearful market, that dry powder is worth watching. Today's altcoin spotlight is Kronos, or CRO, trading at 543, down 0.6% on the day and 1.0% over the week, sitting at rank number 36 by market cap. The move is muted, reflecting the broader risk-off sentiment weighing on mid-cap alts. CRO tends to track the health of the Crypto.com ecosystem, and with fear at 27, community conviction is being tested. This looks more like a wait-and-watch situation than a breakout, a sideways grind that could reward patience but punishes chasers. Not financial advice. Dwyer. 3 names are dominating the trending charts today: Pump.Fun, GRVT token, and Squid. Pump.Fun continues to ride the meme launchpad frenzy, drawing speculative volume with its rapid token minting. GRVT token is generating buzz around its trading platform narrative, while Squid is pulling attention on pure community hype. Be warned, these are high volatility, high risk plays where sentiment can flip in minutes. Trade small and never risk more than you can afford to lose. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index sits at 27 out of 100, squarely in the fear zone. This tells us investors are cautious and selling pressure remains elevated, the kind of environment where knee-jerk reactions dominate. On the whale front, it's notably quiet. No major BTC transfers above $1 million were tracked in the last 24 hours. That silence suggests large holders are sitting tight, waiting for a decisive move before committing capital in either direction. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, all eyes are on Bitcoin's battle between support at 62,275 and resistance at 65,410. A decisive break either way sets the tone. For Ethereum, holding $1,822 is critical. Lose it and downside accelerates, while reclaiming $937 would flip momentum bullish. With the Fear and Greed Index at 27 and MACD readings bearish on both majors, caution is warranted. Watch macro cues from the Fed and the dollar. And above all, respect your stop losses, not financial advice. Dior. Here's today's Bitcoin setup. Entry at $64,102 with a stop loss at $64,870.91 and a take profit target of $62,611.50, giving us a solid risk to reward of 1 to 1.9. The rationale is clear. The MACD histogram is negative at 34.21 with the line below signal, and RSI at 51.9 shows no bullish momentum to fight the downtrend. This trade plays for a rejection at resistance heading towards support. Manage your size and honor that stop, not financial advice. Dior. Our Ethereum trade of the day is also a short. Entry at $1,869.31, stop loss at $1,907.99, and take profit at $1,037.76 for a risk to reward of 1 to 0.8. This is a tighter, more conservative setup. The RSI at 50.4 is neutral, and the MACD histogram at -0.48 signals fading momentum. The trade targets a move towards support at 1,022. Given the modest reward ratio, position sizing matters here more than ever, not financial advice. Dior. If this breakdown helped you, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and whale alerts. Don't miss tomorrow's setups.